People in the neighborhood tell us they had been complaining about that downed wire for weeks, but the problem went ignored, and now a 12-year-old girl is dead.
We didn't even know it was back there. We didn't know anything. We just didn't know.
14-year-old Nautica Holmes missing her best friend today. Wednesday night, she and 12-year-old Brianna Griffin were in the front yard recording silly videos documenting their friendship when they decided to move.
This boy had walked past that she don't like, so she said, let's go in the backyard.
Then it happened.
She had looked back at me and she had walked into the cord and it got caught in her arm.
The cord was a downed wire. Brianna was electrocuted.
We didn't even know it was back there. We didn't know anything. We just didn't know.
It was down there.
Okay.
It wouldn't across the alley.
But others tell Action News the wire had been down for weeks. Caution tape warning of the danger.
2 months I seen the crossing tape there, and they never did come out and do nothing about it.
In a joint statement from DTE and Detroit's Public Lighting Department, everyone is working together to understand how the tragic event occurred. It's an active and complicated investigation. The statement goes on to say, it doesn't matter whose line it is. It's about understanding what happened.
This was an avoidable tragedy, and it's just heartbreaking.
An avoidable death, but who's responsible?
The fact that a dormant power line fell across a live DTE line appears to have been the problem here. But we're gonna go investigate it. We're gonna find out the truth, and we'll deal with it.
Why do it take a tragedy like this for them to come out here and do something? Somebody got to be responsible for that.
Nautica just wants her friend back.
We would go places. We would go out to restaurants and stuff like that.
Nobody from DTE or the Public Lighting Authority was willing to do an on-camera interview. We'll be following this investigation, though. The family deserves answers. In Detroit, Ronnie Dahl, 7 Action News.